Owning a small, practical, and portable washing machine could be an excellent option for people who live in small apartments or buildings with no washer hookups. It provides you with reduced detergent use, electricity, and water bills, utilizes the limited space, and most importantly, they are more gentle on clothes. This video lists the top 6 best portable washers in 2021. Up first is the Magic Chef MCSTCW16W4. This Magic Chef compact top-load washer is a game-changer. It comes equipped with a variety of convenience features. It includes a see-through window, electronic controls with LED display, stainless steel inner tub, detergent dispenser, and 2 water inlets. And this portable washer can make any laundry day a breeze by delivering full-size results, as well as it's perfect for anywhere you need to save space, and a great compact choice for apartments and vacation homes. Its easily accessible control panel provides convenient access to wash options, while its 6 fully automatic wash cycles offer optimal care for various fabrics. Furthermore, it has 3 water levels and 3 temperature settings to ensure your clothes are washed properly. And its pulsator generates strong and weak water flows for an even wash. And its automatic shutoff after the cycle ends signal for added convenience. Next is the GE GNW128PSMWW. GE appliances provide up-to-date technology and exceptional quality to simplify the way you live. Its large capacity offers ample space for clothes for fewer washer loads, and its small footprint is perfect for small spaces that won't fit a full-size washer. Its included caster wheels can easily maneuver and store the portable washer between uses, and its uni-coupler helps you to quickly connect the washer hoses to a standard kitchen or bathroom sink. Moreover, it has one-touch electronic controls with an LED readout, and its stainless steel basket is rust-resistant that won't chip, peel, or snag clothes. Next is the laundry alternative WonderWash. This WonderWash could be an ideal choice if you're looking for a highly portable, hand-operated washing machine that's economical, compact, and leaves your clothes sparkling clean. It weighs under 6 pounds and has a much larger capacity than anything else on the market. This hand-powered portable washer can clean your clothes in a flash and is the next generation in green, cleaner laundry alternatives. And its compact design is a complete laundry solution for apartments, campers, single people, RVs, mobile homes, cabins, and anyone who frequently washes small loads. Furthermore, its design makes it much gentler on clothes and does not have an agitator that can snag, tear, and rip your clothes. And it cleans laundry in 1 to 2 minutes, fully portable without any hookup required, and gentler on clothes. As well as its drain spout from the original model ensures there's no leakage when installing and removing. Next is the Lavario. This Lavario is the best portable washing machine in the world. Its patented PowerFlow technology drives water through your clothes for an exceptional clean. And it's a non-electric, portable, and easy-to-use washer, which can be used in a bathtub, shower, with a kitchen sink, or anywhere convenient to drain water. Plus, it goes gentle on delicates and tough on dirt that is great for RV living, apartment dwellers, dorms, fine fabrics, and athletic wear, cloth diapers, pet blankets, and more. This Lavario can clean your precious little one's baby clothes and also make them perfect for washing cloth diapers hygienically outside the family washing machine. Next is the Black & Decker BPWM09W. This washer comes in a 0.9 cubic foot tub that washes up to 6.6 pounds of laundry in 19 to 52 minutes. Its sleek body is designed to handle spinning and washing clothes within close quarters, and its transparent top lid acts as an easy viewing window for added convenience. Furthermore, it provides an 8-cycle selection for your specific laundry wash load needs, such as normal, cotton, gentle, speed wash, spin, whites, heavy soil, and tub clean. And it comes equipped with a shutoff feature that's designed for protection and safety. If the lid of the washer is opened, the washer will automatically shut off, and once it's closed, the wash cycle will resume. It has a built-in lint filter that doesn't need to be replaced. Just cleaning it about once a month can ease your work. And it can be easily stored or moved into small spaces and connects to a faucet with the included drain hose and sink adapter. Last on our list is the Panda PAN6320W. This washer from Panda has a unique space-saving design that makes your laundry easy and straightforward. Its compact size is perfect for small loads for daily usage, as you can use it in the apartment, dorms, RVs, and has the right size to be the second washer in your house. Its enhanced version 2 built-in rollers or casters increase mobility for easy move around. And its larger size 134 cubic foot capacity allows you to hold up to 10 pounds of clothes. It has a timeless design with regular 3 prongs 110 voltage, which can be plugged anywhere. Furthermore, it has electronic controls with an LED display, and its 10 washing programs and 5 water levels stainless steel drum is durable and resists rust and chipping, as well as it will enable you to connect the washer directly to your faucet with the included quick connect adapter kit and hose. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.